I can't believe that I won that Pet Page's 300 subscriber giveaway. Oh, that's amazing. Anyway, this video is me unboxing the prize. Yay! So let's get it open, shall we? Let's see. So it says, congratulations, Pet Rock and Roll, enjoy the gifts, that Pet Page. Gummies for Mini Rock, and Sling is a Brazilian redhead. Okie dokie. I'm not very clued up on common names, so. Haha, no way! Look what James sent for you, Mini Rock.
It's massive, isn't it?
That's massive.
And it's cute.
That's wicked, that is. Do you want it?
I'm probably not going to open it now.
Ah, James, man, this is awesome. Paintbrush. Let me just angle the camera back down so you can see. I'm sorry. Yes, I love these sling pots. Love them, love them. They're what I use for all my slings. They're absolutely fantastic. Thanks, James. That's amazing. Right, I'm going to leave these. I can see these, but I'm leaving those. Wait a second. Yay! Another mug to add to our ever-growing collection. We've got so many mugs now from the YouTubers. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Right, what have we got? It's a Brazilian redhead. That's wicked. I'm not sure on the scientific name. I'll put it up on the screen. That's that one. And what have we got here? And a Handicromatus. Yay! So I've already got two of these. One is, I don't know where he is. Where is he? Can't quite see him. Yeah, I've got two of these. One is a mature male, and the other, oh, there it is. Yeah, he's tiny. The other one is kind of about this size now, so that's so cool. And my other one was this size. So I love growing slings. It's my favourite thing. What else do we have? A tiger rump. So I'm assuming this is the Davos Pentaloris, which I also have, but it looks like it could be. She's I've had her for 8-9 years, so she's an adult. Oh, no way. A Bicabola. I don't have one of these. I don't have one of these, and I've never had one of these. So that is wicked.
Let me see.
You can't quite see much. I imagine it's in there somewhere. But we will get these rehoused into the sling tubs that James sent, because then they can fit nicely in my sling nursery. And that's it. That is amazing, James. Thank you so much. Right, so I'm going to start with the Davos Pentaloris, the tiger rump. Now I know obviously from keeping my girl that they prefer a higher humidity than most terrestrial tarantulas. So just set out the sling pot, already labelled it. So let's have a looky here and see if we can get this little fella out. Now I do believe... Alright, so he's all the way down there, and actually does look in pre-molt, to be honest. Come on, dude. You can come out.
He's just got church.
Where are you gone now? Giving me the runaround. There you go. See on the pot? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Fella. No, you're not going to want to go on my hand, darling. I know you're not. Just trying to be really careful with you. That's it, get down. Good job.
You
Oh, so cute. Yeah, that's definitely in pre-molt, you know. Cutie. Oh, bless it. I think it's having a drink, actually. Yeah, I think it is, you know. I think it's drinking the droplets on the side. Yeah, that's really cute. Right, let's get the lid on this guy then and move on to the next. Let's go with the Handu chromatus next. Oh, this one is super tiny. Do you know what? Do you know what? It will be fine. I'll stick it in here. I'm sure it will be fine. I've had my slings of this size and kept them in these sling pots, and they've done just great. They really have. I've got the shakes now. Come on, little fella. Let's see. Oh, good job. Look at you. Tiny little thing. But yeah, not bothered at all, are you? Because you know you're going to be big. That's perfect for him. Nice little tiny hide. Yeah, look how sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Bless it. Super, super cute, that is. They all are. Let's stick the lid on that one. Right, so now these two, so the Brazilian redhead and the B Cabola. Now, I believe this is the Bumba Cabocla. I can't say it, hang on, wait. The Bumba Cabocla, and I think this is too. I think this is too, because I can't find anything called a B Cabola, but I can find obviously a B Cabocla. So it's just there's a C missing, I think, from the label, which is fine. So I think these are the same. I know this is definitely a Bumba Cabocla anyway, just because that's what a Brazilian redhead is. And I'm assuming this one is, so I'm hoping that I'm assuming right. So we'll rehouse them and label them as Bumba Cabocla 1 and Bumba Cabocla 2, and then we'll see what they look like as they start to grow. If there's any differences, then obviously I'm wrong, but I am gonna message James and see if he knows. So yeah, James, I'm sure I've already messaged you, but if you want to stick in the comments just so everybody can see whether I'm right or wrong, that they're both the same species of tarantula. So tiny, so cute. Come on, fella. Oh no, don't go that way. Isn't there an enclosure for you? Sit down round. Good job. Well done. Now that is cute. Look at that. Oh my days. But I can't see it in there, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of digging to try and find it. There he is. There he is. Good job. Good job. Come on, out you come. Now that was a mission, trying to find you. Come on, that's it. Silly little one. Now, he does actually look a little bit freshly malted. It doesn't look exactly like the other one, but it could just be because maybe it's malted recently. Like really recently, maybe. Yeah. So we'll see what happens once it, yeah, give it a couple of days and maybe it will darken up. I don't know, it kind of looks the same, but then all slings look the same, so yeah. But yeah, that's awesome. Awesome amount of babies to add to the sling nursery. So how amazing was that? I mean, those slings, they're just adorable. And if anybody knows me, you know that the one thing that I love about this hobby is growing on a sling. So getting it from being a tiny, tiny baby all the way up to adulthood, it's just an amazing achievement, it really is. So thank you so much, James, for sending me those slings. I really do appreciate that. I'm blown away, I really am. So now what I want to do is I'm just going to come a bit closer because I want to talk to you. Yeah, you sitting there on your phone, on your computer, watching this video right now. Can you do me a favour? Go over to James's page, that pet page, and hit subscribe for me, because James deserves way more than 300 subscribers. So please, if you could do that for me, I'd be so grateful. Definitely showing support is what this community is all about. We're all in it together, we all have the same passion, and James deserves way more subscribers than what he currently has. So yeah, thank you so much. So that's the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Until I see you next time, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.